Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explain how to set up your Lightshot just screenshot tools. So now open a browser. So guys, I'm opening Chrome browser and type Lightshot download and go to Lightshot website, click download for Windows and download done, and I'm just set up permission yes and English okay. I accept the agreement, okay, install complete and install successful. Just finish it, minimize the browser. So now I'm just showing PC and you can select any theme and click save, then screenshot 25 inch. So I hope you enjoyed this video, so please subscribe our channel and keep watching my channel. Good night.